Hi everyone, Peter from Jewel Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this octopus. So we're going to start off by getting your bits together. You need the stuffing, your elastic bands. You've either got googly eyes or buttons in your pack, so you need them. Scissors, be careful because scissors are sharp. Glue and your felt sheet. So we're going to start with the stuffing. You're going to get that together in your hand, put it in the middle of the felt sheet, then lift it up from underneath, then wrap the felt around. Put that all together, make it nice and neat. And then you want to get one of your elastic bands and then wrap that round. There we go. So your next step is just cut off the corners. Doesn't have to be too neat, so don't worry. And then we need to make the legs, well, tentacles, if you call them, not legs. So you're going to start off by just cutting as far as you can, and then just cut it into 8 equal strips. Now what you're going to do is gather one of the bits you cut up and then wrap one of the elastic bands around the end. So I've got the tentacles all done. Now you just want to get your eyes on. So you grab your buttons or your googly eyes, whichever one you've got, and then we're just going to stick them on there. And there you go. All done.